Hey YouTube, so this is about the app GCPlotter. GCPlotter is a one-stop solution for all your geochemical plotting needs. You can plot various values and various types of diagram with this one-stop tool. The main menu has three simple steps: new sample, sample history, and references. So when you hit new sample, whenever you're trying to do a new sample, you click on new sample and you enter the sample name, the rock type, which is optional, notes, which is optional, and you can enter all the oxide values and trace element values in ppm. So for the trace elements, you have LILEs, HFSEs, LREEs, and HREEs, and also transition metals too. And after you enter all these values, you have to hit save and plot. If in any ways in between entering values, even if you go back, it will be saved as a draft, so you can come back to your work later. Now, just to show you how it works, I'll go to sample history, and this is BCR-2 basalt reference from USGS. So these are the values that I've put in. This data is freely available from USGS. And so now with these values, we'll hit save and plot. And now you have the option for TAS diagram, K2O SiO2 diagram, Jensen cation plot, QAPF diagram, spider diagram, and REE pattern, and also CIPW Norm classification. But please do note that not all of these classification methods will work for all rock types. So you kind of have to use it requires nuance to know this. You have to use your petrology knowledge to find out which is relevant for what. And so I'll just show you all the diagrams that it has plotted for BCR-2. So first we have TAS, and in TAS, it's showing basaltic andesite, which is accurate. And then K2O SiO2 showing high potassium calc-alkaline series, which is also accurate. And Jensen cation plot here. And then you have the QAPF double triangle. And you have the spider diagram. And then you have the REE pattern. So now for all these plots, you have two options. One is to share, which will default to Outlook Mail, and the other is to save. On clicking save, it will automatically create a folder in your documents section in the Windows local disk C of your Windows. In documents, it will create a folder called GCPlotter, and it will save it according to the name of the plot, what name you have given, and what type of plot it is, and date and time. So finally, you have the CIPW Norm classification showing silica oversaturated. And for this, you can copy the result, and you might have to edit it later because there might be some artifacts while you copy. So you might have to edit it later on. But still, it's a one-stop solution for all your geochemical plotting needs. The app works instantaneously. The plots load instantaneously. There is no loading time. There is no wait. And the data, even if you close the app in between, the file will be saved as draft.